Okay, so back to the reaction with the aspirin and the iron nitrate. We can see that, you guys see what it looks like there? It turned a nice little color, a purplish color. So we know that when aspirin, according to our prelab, that when aspirin reacts with iron nitrate, it's going to turn purple. Here we've got our Tylenol. We're going to see what happens. Okay, so here we have another reaction. It's a little bit of a different, it almost turns out, see how dark that is? It's like a dark, much more opaque color, a more bluish color, but a lot darker. Okay, so then we're going to put it into the, we know that this is the baking soda. Okay, so it bubbles a little bit, so it's reactive in that way. And we see it turn, it goes orange. Okay, so that's different than each of these. Each of these reactions so far has been different. And finally, here is our flour. And let's see what happens when we put in the flour. Huh, interesting. So not much happens with the flour. In fact, the flour almost repels it a little bit. Okay, so what was the point of doing that? So let's talk about that. Well, we knew what was going to happen, but now I'm going to give you a mystery powder. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and put a mystery powder in here. It's going to look like all of the other white powders, and we're going to see which one it is. So here we go. I'm putting in just a random white powder. So take a look. It looks like all of the other white powders. Okay, and the goal here, let's say we found this at a crime scene, at a drug bust or something like that. The goal is we now have to identify this white powder. And so that means we're going to test it again with iron nitrate. Okay, so we see the reaction there. What do you guys think that is? I'll let you guys figure it out. I'm not going to tell you. But so the point of this lab, ladies and gentlemen, is we are going to do our control reactions. We're going to use these 4 white powders, which look exactly the same. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to test them with iron nitrate, which is a dangerous chemical, so I should be wearing gloves right now. Hopefully the person handling it will be wearing gloves. Lugel's iodine solution. You all may have used iodine in a biology class in the past. Very, very, you do not want to get this on you. It will stick to you and it will stay there for weeks. And vinegar. So those are the 3 liquids that we are going to use.
Your dad's calling.
And I hope you enjoyed this presentation, ladies and gentlemen. I look forward to the lab. Remember, we're testing chemical properties of these substances using these liquids, and we're trying to identify what the unknown powder is. Best of luck to you. Best of luck. Bye-bye.